right, everybody. Thanks for jumping in. Josiah, Mr. Therapy Cossack here with Automation Answer. And you're probably going to notice me looking up forward because I'm actually recording this behind my green screen for a quick live recording I'm going to be able to upload and actually put out there. But I do want to welcome everybody to Automation Answer and talk a little bit about what we do when we get started here. And as you can see in the description, if you're checking that out, big shout outs, man. I've been talking to a lot of great people the past week. It's been a lot of fun, man. Really reminiscent of what we were working on last year. And it just reminds me how long that 8 months I've been setting this plan up and working on putting the strategy together with my partners, Chad Gray and Jerome James. How much time and effort we've been putting into that, man. It's felt like years, let alone 8 months. But being able to get back in touch with these great friends of mine, people I had a lot of success with last year. It's been just amazing, absolutely amazing. So we've been putting a lot of stuff together. We've already done a couple webinars. I've had the opportunity to reach out to some past teammates and really starting to get things revved up. But people are going to want to know, where do we begin? Because we're going to have people that already have experience in this area. We're also going to have people that have some degree of understanding when it comes to automation, as far as like email autoresponders and chatbots and things of that nature. So there's people that are going to be coming in at all skill levels, all knowledge levels, But we want to go back to those 4 stages. What does it take to be an online business, to make an online income? And of course, we have attraction marketing. That is our strategy. But how do you attraction market? It's not exactly something you can hop on Facebook and just do. Okay, there's stages to attraction marketing. First and foremost, you want to attract people to you, to your brand. That's the very first thing that we're going to do. So when you decide to jump in, whether you come and check out one of our webinars, reach out to us on Facebook. Again, you can hit me up on facebook.com/automation answer right on this page. I'm over on facebook.com/whoistherapy. You'll be able to reach my page right there, or just hunt us down, find us. We're there. Me, Chad, Jerome, we're all there. But basically, we want to get you on the phone, get you on a call where we could talk about your brand. What do you want to talk about? What do you want to, give to your audience as far as, something to talk about? So, once we're able to go there, figure out what you're going to be creating as far as content. That's what it's going to be on. Value-based, consumer-centric content, okay? You're going to figure out different types of content, whether it's videos, whether you make them or you're just sharing them, whether you're making memes or images, whether you are getting on, Facebook and doing lives, whether you're doing lives on YouTube and building that audience. You're going to have different areas where you're going to be able to create and deliver content to the people that are specifically attracted to your brand. Okay? And that's what it really is about. Once we figure out what you want to talk about, what you enjoy giving information on, we can figure out the kind of people that are going to be interested in that information. Is it going to be younger people, older people? Is it going to be people local to you, or are they going to be global? Is it going to be people of a very specific niche, or is it going to be a wide, variety of people, like, people in entrepreneurships, many different markets there, right? So there's many different audiences that we're going to be able to go after, and we want to really zero in on the people that are going to be most interested in what your content is going to include, okay? So that's going to be our first 2 steps. First, we get on there, we figure out, who is your brand? What is your brand? Who is your brand for? All right, who's going to be interested in that kind of stuff? Then we figure out what kind of content we want to create and put out there also, all right? Then we're going to be able to go from there to building your online presence. Once we have your online presence built, we go into the actual automation, into building the website, setting up the chatbots, setting up the autoresponders, things of that nature. So there is a process, but guys, it's going to take you being ready and you connecting with us so we can talk out one of these strategies, what's going to work for you, who is your audience, who you're targeting, and how you're going to go about reaching them. Okay? And it all starts with that call, guys. So I just wanted to come on here real quick, drop a real quick video talking about what we're doing and what people can expect when they reach out to us and say, hey, you got all these other amazing people that are jumping in on your stuff. I need to know more. What are you doing with these guys? That's our general practice. That's our process, and you're gonna see that it's very, very targeted to to you and so what you enjoy. I don't know if you like making crafts, but if you love making crafts and talking about crafts and learning about crafts and sharing videos about crafts, there's going to be a way that you're going to be able to make your brand, on crafts. And there's lots and lots of people out there that love hearing about that stuff. So it's going to be really easy to target in on crafts. You know what I mean? Maybe it's sports. Maybe it's video games. Maybe it's just entrepreneurship and success building, business building. Maybe it's health and wellness. Maybe it's that fitness. Maybe it's a combination of both combined with a sprinkle of holistic living. Whatever it is, we figure out what your brand is. And we figure out what kind of content, is going to grab the attention of other people that's interested in your brand content, right? And then we just get that content out there and we figure out a way to monetize it. And it's all a part of that process, guys. So, hey, that was a quick one, wasn't it? It was nice, easy, painless. Hey, you can't beat that, right? So, again, shout outs to everybody that got to jump in and join. I hope you get a chance to spread this around. I hope you get a chance to jump on, man. Make sure you are following and click those notifications there on the page. Make sure you click see first because we're going to be having webinars. Some of them are going to be scheduled well in advance. Some are going to be at the drop of a hat. There's going to be giveaways. Of course, Chad's doing a lot of stuff. If you haven't heard about that Drips Wizard, you're going to very soon. It's a really cool gift that's just, he's giving it away to a few people to try out. So you could definitely be one of those people by reaching out to us, maybe joining us on an upcoming webinar. But it all starts by following the page, hitting those notifications, and make sure you click see first so you can see whatever we drop in there. I might do it at 4 in the afternoon. I might do it at 4 in the morning. I'm known for doing both. So get on over to facebook.com/automation answer, or just click this video wherever you see us up in the corner there. You'll be able to follow, turn them notifications on, and don't miss a thing. You're going to find it real interesting, all the people we're going to be having on here very soon. Going to be a lot of interviews. We're going to be uploading some webinars, and you're going to be seeing some really familiar faces, guys. I got to say, man, it's all about getting that elite together, man, from Success Builders. So, hey, I'm Josiah, Mr. Therapy Kostek with the Automation Answer. We're going to keep stacking odds in your favor for success. Or we're going to do it in our favor anyway, and with or without you. See you on the next one.